guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carolina. Hey, hi, what's up? I know I always come back with a new freaking pimple. Why does my skin hate me? I don't know. Yeah, so if I look a little bit weird, I kind of mess with the settings on the camera. I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't know how to change it back. So I'm back in the studio. It is the year 2020. I cannot believe we are here. Like many of you guys, I have new goals. One of my biggest goals is to get monetized here on YouTube. It's not even about the money. Every YouTuber wants to get monetized. So to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and 4,000 watch hours, which is a lot. But you know what, go big or go home. I've done YouTube for a whole year already. I really enjoy making videos for you guys. We're gonna get those 900 subscribers this year, all right? So if you guys really want to support me, liking and commenting on my video will help me get recommended by YouTube, putting my videos on the homepage, putting my videos on, you know, search, so you guys are not just doing it just to do it. It's very, very helpful. So enough of that. To bring in the new year, I thought it would be a cool idea. I know I've seen I want to say Nikki Tutorials. I know she did this. I don't know, I'll link her video down below if you guys want to check it out. She recreated how she used to do her makeup in high school, I believe it was. So for today's video, I'll be doing how I do my makeup now versus how I did it in high school, which is pretty embarrassing, but you live and you learn. And I wasn't a freshman in the beginning of the decade. That would be actually really cool. You know, I could do like a beginning of the decade versus end of the decade look, but unfortunately I was a freshman 2011, so it's still kind of the beginning of the decade, but not really. How I do my makeup now, I'm kind of just gonna like fast forward it because you guys already kind of know how I do my makeup now. And I haven't worn my cat ears in so long. I miss them. I have this pimple that I really want to cover up with some full coverage foundation. So I'll do this side, how I do my makeup now, and this is how I used to do it in high school. So I just kind of did a quick look on this side. So I'm gonna see if I could find some pictures of how I used to do my makeup back in high school. I should have some, so I'll post them right here. But I clearly remember how I used to do my makeup. I just literally, like, freshman year to senior year, I almost wear no makeup. I will wear some sheer foundation. High-end products, I didn't even know of them. I didn't get into makeup until after high school. Back then, I didn't even know what primer was. Never used it. If you guys watched the Dollar Tree and the Family Dollar haul that I did, I still have some of that foundation. So I don't know, I might be using one of these. These are all like kind of medium to full coverage. So I might actually use the Sassy Plus Chic moisturizing foundation. And you guys, I didn't have a brush, so I just used my fingers. Kind of like dabbed it And honestly, I would just focus right here in this area, to be honest. I kind of like smeared it on like a lotion, you know, or like a moisturizer. I remember doing makeup like this. Oh my god. So yeah, I would just kind of get in this area because I was very, very subconscious about my freckles before they were like a thing. I used to get made fun of a lot because of them. Concealer, I also didn't know what concealer was. By the end of the school day, whatever, all of my makeup was almost completely off. So I know I also wear blush because I had the Clinique one that my sister bought me. So it kind of looked like this one. I'll see if I can find it online. I'll put it up here. But also came like that Clinique blush. It also came with like one of these little like brushes. And honestly, you guys, I will use this brush to put on my blush. And it was kind of around this color too. So let me see. I kid you not. I don't even know how I would do this. Okay, so I kind of put some like that. I don't know if you guys remember those kind of like foundation powders that came like in something like this, and then it had like the very squishy like sponge, and then you kind of like, you know. So I remember having one of those too. I'm gonna use this, which is kind of similar, and just dab that all over my face because that's basically what I did, just to give myself like a fuller coverage. I just did that. I don't know why my face is looking a lot better than how it used to back in high school. I'm telling you, I probably did my makeup in like 5 minutes. I would curl my eyelashes. So that's what I'm doing. And I have like a favorite mascara. It was like the green and pink one, I think. But obviously I don't have that. But I'll use the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. Honestly, I will go ham with mascara. Like ham. I will probably add 2 to 3 layers of like mascara. So usually my mascaras would be like crusty and dry. I would just go with my mascara through my eyebrows just to like give them like a fuller look. Full
6.5 hours later.
Fuller. Why can I say that?
3 days later.
Fuller look.
2,000 years later.
More of a fuller look. So I'll just do that. And just kind of do that. If nothing was on my face, I would just be satisfied with eyeliner and mascara. Oh, I actually think I still have my old eyeliner. I think I do. I used to wear this eyeliner. Obviously this one is so old, I don't even think it works anymore. What? Look at that. I don't know if I should put that around my eye though, because I've had this for like a good couple of years already. This was like my go-to eyeliner back in the days. So for this side, I'll just use the NYX eyeliner. This is super throwback. Sometimes I would add like black eyeliner, but for this video, I think I am. Yep, this looks about right. And then just to top off the look, I will always kind of have like a bold lip. I'm gonna use this purple from Sigma. It's the Foxglove liquid lipstick. I feel like old me will wear this. And that is basically it. That's literally all I would do in high school. I really want to take off this nose ring because I had a nose ring, but I had the diamond. I feel like this is really like throwing it off. So this is how I feel like I used to look like without the nose ring, obviously. If you guys know me, comment down below if I nailed it or not. Alright guys, it has been really fun. Like, I cannot believe I used to like just wear my makeup like this. Like, I thought it was the cutest freaking girl. I can't. Oh my god, like, look at that. And my eyebrows are honestly better than they looked before too. I mean, it's not like a big of a difference. Yeah, it's a big difference. Yeah, it's a big difference. If you guys know me from high school, comment down below if you think this is really how I looked. I mean, it wasn't every day that I wore a bold lip, but for every special occasion or whatever, I definitely had some type of lip going on. It has been really fun to show you guys a little throwback of how I used to do my makeup versus now. I know what a primer is now. I know what some highlight and contour is now. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I just wanted to start the year with a little throwback. I can't stop looking at myself. Again, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. I'm trying to get to my goal, 1,000 subscribers. Again, giving a thumbs up will really help out my video. Also, commenting down below will also help. So if you guys enjoyed it, comment down below. Just leave me anything random. If you guys want to tell me your guys' 2020 goals, let me know down below. Give me some new video ideas too. That would be awesome. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.